As part to mark the celebration of World Mental Health Day 2023, the National Association of Sea Dogs, Urhiapele, otherwise known as the Pirate Confraternity, has carried out a sensitization against illicit drugs and need to promote mental health at Gloryland International Secondary School, Sapele, Delta State. The event is to commemorate the World Mental Health Day and is being carried out across 61 chapters of the National Association of Sea Dogs worldwide. Urhiapele, led by Capone Dr. Eyide Michael, has over time taken several sensitization initiatives to Sapele residents, ranging from promotion of physical wellness, environmental cleanliness, political sensitization prior to the 2023 elections, and more. The program at Gloryland International Secondary School was held at the school hall as students were enlightened, with this year's theme being "Together we uphold mental health as human rights." And resource persons Dr. Abu Frederick, CEO, Royal Clinic, Sapele, and Mr. Paul Ogboru spoke on the need for youth abstinence from illicit drug abuse, social awareness, and more. The interactive session was so engaging as students took out time to ask questions and make contributions on the various topics that were talked about. After the event, we caught up with school principal Mrs. Sapele, who told newsmen of how important the campaign on mental health is and why she is very thankful to the National Association of Sea Dogs for picking her school for the exercise.
I'm Mrs. Sapele. It was a great time and a rare privilege that our school was chosen as a center for this talk. When I was informed that they are coming, I was so happy because these children, they need this talk. If you look around us these days, this mental issue is a real problem. You see young boys and girls going around the streets taking drugs. When I was making the announcement yesterday in the school, I told them, I say, young boys and girls these days, they have gone extra mile to take these drugs. Then even they can hide themselves with even this rubber, ordinary rubber. Even people from Soccer Piece, they use it. I say, so it's a good thing that they are coming to make them to know the effects of drug abuse. So I really see it as a great opportunity for these children, and I'm so happy to be part of this lecture.
Also, Capone Dr. Eyide and resource person Mr. Ogboru elaborated on the event and why the National Association of Sea Dogs, Urhiapele, is taking the campaign against drug abuse and mental health deficiency to the young ones in schools across Sapele local governments.
My name is Dr. Eyide. I'm the Capone Urhiapele. As you have just put it, today is 10th October 2023. Is a date set aside by World Health Organization to celebrate World Mental Health Day. And we as National Association of Sea Dog all over the world, we key into this in compliance with the United Nations Charter to celebrate this World Mental Health Day. We have decided to come to Gloryland International School because we have seen around our environment that our younger ones are mostly indulging in drug abuse, which is one of the factors, one of the things that leads to mental health disorderliness. We have decided to come down to the younger ones, especially those in the secondary schools, because from what you see around us today, it is said some of them believe that school is a scam. And we are going to tell them that school is not a scam. That the all of us you are seeing here are professionals. We are all professionals. If we indulge in drug in our days in secondary school, we may not get to this level. That's why we brought the talk to them so that they understand. You can see the brilliant questions the younger ones, these students were asking. You can see their questions. That's to tell them that some of them too has issues that they are contemplating in their mind. But thank God that we are here today to proffer answers to some of those questions that were raised.
I'm Mr. Paul Ogboru, the end focal person in HIV program in Sapele Central Hospital and with Excellence Community Education Welfare Scheme and NGO. What I said earlier was talking about some of these illicit drugs that the society today indulge themselves in. which is alcohol, tobacco smoking, nicotine, Refno, tramadol, cocaine, colos, as the ECT and the rest of them. And I said that these drugs, when taken, triggers the release of dopamine in every human and increases the urge for you to continue taking the drug. And I said, the more you take the drug, the more depressed the person becomes, the more mentally unstable the person becomes, which means that the urge to take the drug increases as the person takes the drug because of the released dopamine in the system of the person. My message to the youth is very simple: shun illicit hard drug taking, and it should be more useful to themselves. How will they do that? By facing their education very seriously and be a responsible child to bring good glory to their father. Thank you.
My name is Urhiapele, and this is Urhiapele TV. Thank you for watching.